Hello everyone, welcome back to Traveatz. So today it's going to be the part 2 of our chicken dish. Last video we tried and marinated the chicken, right? So today I want to show you, we're going to kind of do a semi-gravy kind of a chicken dish. Okay, so it's like a Chettinad style chicken dish. So I've already got the chicken marinated. I've left this for like nearly 12 hours in the fridge overnight. Okay, so I've got some chopped onions, some tomatoes, a little bit of curry leaves. It's optional. If you want to use it, you can use it. And a lot of coriander. And you also need maybe one portion of the lemon. Okay, so let's start the process. It'll take us about 30 to 40 minutes to cook this in slow flame. And then, we'll kind of see how it goes. Okay. So we need sufficient oil. Maybe even some 10 to 12 tablespoons of oil will also be good. Yeah, this should be enough. We allow the oil just to spread across the pan. So I've taken about 7 to 8 tablespoons of oil. Okay, so we've got some jeera, cumin seeds, we've got curry leaves, and I've also got a few strands of red chilies. This is going to give us some spice, but it's I've used about 5 to 6 of them. So I added the curry leaves and the chilies. So we're just going to saute it for some time. Okay, so I'm going to add the onions. So let's allow this to fry for like 2 to 3 minutes. We'll see if it becomes a lightish brown color. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. So now I'm going to add the tomatoes. I'm going to add about half a tablespoon of chili powder just to bring some flavors. So depending on the spice level, you can add the amount of chili powder you want, but I would say just stick with maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons. I'll add a little bit of coriander, so I'm going to start mixing it. Okay, so now I'm going to add the chicken, right? This chicken is already marinated. It's got some meat masala, lemon, it's got yogurt and everything in it. So we're going to add this to the container, okay? So I'm just going to mix it gradually. We'll start cooking this in slow flame. Okay. Okay, so we're going to cook the chicken in slow flame, at least for about 20 to 25 minutes. And all the water should evaporate gradually. So let's allow this to do it, and then probably we'll come back after 20 minutes and see how this goes. Okay. Okay, so now I've removed the lid and I'm going to allow it to cook in slow flame, and just so that all the water, some of the water at least, starts evaporating. Yeah, so we want to kind of have a semi kind of a gravy. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of lemon.